Hi guys, can you guys hear me? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me so far? Hi. Alright, okay. Okay, let's just wait for a couple more minutes, alright, for everyone to tune in, and then I will start the section for today. As you guys already know, today is just all about training section. If you guys have any pair you want me to have a look, you can let me know. If not, I will just go with the major pair and a bit of indices, maybe crypto and commodity as well. Alright, how you guys doing so far? Okay, AUD USD. Okay, I will look that for you. Hi Gary, hi Bob, welcome. Hi Saf. Okay, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's just start our webinar for today. As I mentioned earlier, today just also about live trading section. Alright. Okay, so disclaimer first. As usual, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade, okay? Okay, so about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Error Project Group. We are finalists for the best epic research in 2019, 20, and 21, and finalist for the best equity research in 2020 and 21. I myself am a prop trader as well. This is some of certificate that I have passed all the challenge. Okay, let's just look at our charts for today. Okay, so first, let's just look at the XY first. Okay, so as you guys already know, like I don't know why this morning when the market opened there is a gap, even though it's like the XY, I think UJ or some other pair as well. Okay, but let's just look at the XY. So this way currently at the support for support in head 4. Okay, usually I will draw support and resistance in the head 4. Okay, what you can see here, if you were to look on your left, it's already at first support. So I think we can expect some bounce from here. Okay, so basically, okay, this is like support level for this Y. Okay, and then when you pull with Fibonacci, it's about 23.6%. And where is your second support? I think my second support is somewhere. I just pick here, which is, let me just look all the way to the left. Okay, anyway, it's just here. Okay, just put here somewhere just before 61.8% retracement. So basically, if we were to look at the XY in the higher time frame, which is daily, So basically, first I like to look at market structures. We notice that, right? Usually the XY is make a lower low and lower high. Okay, and then I think they start to go make a higher high. So basically, I think they made a change of the momentum. Okay, from like from downtrend become uptrend. Okay, for the XY, but let's just look at our. Just now somebody asked me for AU. Okay, let me just look for the AU first, and you guys asked, right? So basically, for the lead time frame, okay, like last week it was like ranging. You can see here for like since September 6th until Friday, and then you see potential bounce from first this one should be first resistance. Anyway, let me just redo again. Okay, so basically let me draw. This is my first support. Okay, in daily time frame. Okay, and this is could be my first resistance. Okay, like as I always mentioned, if you want to draw support and resistance, it doesn't matter if you want to draw at body or the wick. It's very subjective. Okay, and then this could be my, I just put here, could be my second support. Anyway, what we can see here in the daily time frame, that price is like make a double top, right? Yeah, double top here. So basically, if I want to sell, and then you draw support, you draw Fibonacci, it's retrace here at 23.6%, and then what we can see that price try to break above, and then they get some rejection. So this is first resistance, and second resistance should be somewhere here, which is either you call like next line here, the neckline. Okay, and then either let me just pick, I'll pick 23 and 38% fib level. Where's my 23? Okay, yeah, and then you may highlight. Okay, let me just look for, okay, okay, so daily it looks something like that. So basically like ranging between first support and first resistance if you were to look at daily time frame. And then what we can see in H4. Okay, so basically in H4 I think you might can see some rejection from this level. You have to just draw from here. This one should be 50 or 51. Okay, 50, exactly 50. I think this is some kind of like price action for me, what I can see over here. And you were to draw support and resistance in H4, this is your first resistance. Okay, that's why price comes here and then gets reversed. Okay, so second resistance, we will remove the one is for like daily time frame. Okay, we're gonna base on H4. So basically, this one, first resistance, in H1 is gonna be second resistance for H4. Okay, so if you have to ask me where is the support, I think could be my first support here. Okay, could be second. Okay, so in H4 is something look like this. Okay, let me look in the bigger pictures. It's ranging break is either, I think you may can see some rejection from here, from this level. Okay, let me just pull out our stochastic. Stochastic. Okay. I'm U2133. Okay. just want to find a hidden resistance or hidden support for, let's just see somewhere here. So you can see anything here for hit 4. Okay, I see. So if I see like that, I already sell here. If I see this, right? So we'll go to H4, H1. So basically, if you, one of the thing like my strategy, if I see that price is at the level either support or resistance, and then you see the rejection here, if you were to like double tick or I mean double click on RSI or stochastic, sorry, this is the recent one is somewhere here. Price trend to reverse. You can just put like resistance somewhere here. So what you can see here, okay, one price is at this level and then it's reversed in the in H1, and then you can see that price will drop or falling either to first support or somewhere here. Okay, what we can see here, any chart pattern. I just close my, okay, seem like in M30 we would see like there's a divergence here, okay, like here, and then price is make a higher high, but RSI is make a higher lower high here, okay, but whenever there's a divergence in lower time frame, price may not reverse very strongly. Okay, the higher time frame is the better. Okay, so let me go to the, yeah, so even here, where's my eyesight? Okay, my eyesight is over here. I move a little bit here. Okay, so this is my resistance, my support here. So basically I think since the DXY is rising, so potentially AU should be falling. Okay, so falling until here, but if you were to look at H1 and then you draw fifth level, okay, the first support in H4 should be like up with 50%, fifth level is somewhere here. Okay, so you can sell. If you meet the sell entry, it's okay. You just wait to buy over here. Alright, because what we can see that there is like ranging. Okay, like price ranging like from here since September 5th, right? It's a ranging here, like suddenly they break above, either you sell, price pull back here, and then you buy. Okay, something like that. All right. Okay, sure, go. I will look for you, but let's just look at okay. So we're here. EU, let's just go for EU first, okay? For the EU, what I can see, okay, always look for the higher time frame, like daily time frame first. As you can see, right, like before that price is mega higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, until here you see in daily time frame price cannot make a lower low, is make a higher high and higher low, something like that. So you know that already changed the momentum, right? Okay, from downtrend to uptrend. So now you can know that okay, price is make a higher high and higher low. See from here, like maybe here, higher high, higher low, higher. Okay, and still higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher. Okay, so do you think price is change momentum from uptrend to downtrend? No. So basically, if EU to change momentum to uptrend become downtrend, I mean price have to break this low, they need to break like that. Okay, and then there will be change momentum if uptrend become downtrend. So basically they haven't I think it's still ranging. Okay, in daily time frame is something like that. But let me look for the H4, and what we notice that price is within the bearish channel line. Okay, Ichimoku cloud already appear in the red color cloud, meaning that they're gonna be changing in momentum. Okay, so we go to the lower time frame, which is H4. What we can see here, okay, that price in bearish channel line, right? So I remove, okay, so you guys can see clearly. So basically now it's at first resistance. How I get first resistance? You go to your left all the way here. Okay, you draw. Okay, what you can see here that price tried to break this resistance, but it could not. So this is a key to me. I think this is a key resistance area. Where is my? Okay, bring it up here. So you may like highlight from like this peak to the body. Okay, here. And if you were to pull, okay, you were to pull Fibonacci retracement, I think should be 23 here, 23 and 50%. 23 and 50%. Okay, 23 is here. My 23 and 38. Yeah, so I zoom in for you. So basically in the first resistance, we do have 23.6%, which is this week. That's why I highlight the zone, something like that. Okay, in H4. And second, okay, I just leave it 23. Okay, something like that. Okay, alright. And my second resistance all the way to the left, I was somewhere here. Just push here. Okay, just put somewhere here. So something like that. And okay, just move, delete. Okay, I move up my first support. So basically, my first support here, recent swing low. Okay, and my second should be, I'll pick this low. Okay, alright. This is my level. So basically, you can see the rejection from here because DXY rising is a positive correlation, right? If DXY is rising like that, so basically euro dollar, GBP, it will be falling. Okay, something like that. That's what I mean by. Okay, so I expect EU to fall from here, like from this level. But let me just look to the H1. Okay, see what's going on. I don't know, like as we already know that if in the morning there's gap, maybe New York market, they might come down. The price may come down and close the gap, right? We don't know whether they want to close like within today or within like tomorrow or the next few days. Okay, so yeah, so I still think this is my level to sell. And okay, let's look one more for GU. Okay, for the GU or GBP USD, okay, it's really changing momentum. Okay, because like always say, it's make the daily time frame higher high, higher low, higher high, and then it's make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, something like that. You want to look, and then it's break this low. Okay, like this low. So I think that's changing momentum to uptrend to downtrend. Okay, and then we go to the H4. What we can see in H4. Okay, so now it's testing the channel line. Okay, so I'm waiting to sell somewhere here. Okay, at around 131.2533. Okay, basically exactly somewhere here. This is my sales zone somewhere here. Okay, the body in the wick. Okay, this is my sales zone. What you can see, price come and get rejection already. In my sales zone, we do have this, and we do have like price testing the upper belly channel line. Okay, so let's see, it's better price will revert from here, or they're gonna break above first resistance to second and then come down and then change momentum like this. But because what you can see here in head 4, price is make a double top, right? Right here. Yeah. Okay, so it's either they break this high. So basically, I think they will come from here. Okay, retrace next line and then all the way boom. Like this, maybe. But what we can see here. Let me see. Let me just think if price reverse from here. To the right, it's reverse somewhere 50%. Neckline. Yeah, should be. This is our like sell our buy zone somewhere here. Here, if price is reverse from here and then go up, something like that. Okay, if they do something like this. So basically now I'm still waiting, okay, for the GU, whether they will reverse from this level. You see the rising really strongly. Okay, first I thought like, okay, in H1 there's a rejection. Thought like, okay, price gonna like, reverse from this level. But then now they come back and retrace again. We need to see if they really can break above or it's revert from this level. Okay, just have to keep an eye on this. Alright, see, this is the hidden base from here. From here to here. Okay, now it's already rising very strongly. Is this a news? No, right? Okay, they still have a room for them to go more. Look at M1 now. Okay, these are M5. Okay, so potentially will reverse, might reverse from here. We just keep an eye on this. Okay. Oh, you're gonna break or not? You're gonna break or not? Rising already. Anybody selling? Want to sell now? Okay, it's at the level already. Okay, let's just see. Okay, you rise very strongly. Is this a news? Okay. Okay, let's see if they're gonna reverse from this level. Okay, we will come back and see again. Alright. Okay, let's just look for other pair. Okay. Let's just look for the for gold, just give me maybe after this. Okay, after this pair, okay. There's a gap. in daily time frame, what we can see here, they make a higher high, still in downtrend. Okay, you see the lower low, lower high here. So still, I think still can like that. Okay, potential is just that price is still now is at first resistance here. Okay, and then first support. Alright, let's look at H1. Sorry, H4. Okay, for H4, what you can see here, price could not go above this resistance, right? But what you notice here, first resistance here, and this is support. So actually I pull retracement from swing high to swing low, and then this is my first support, and then you to highlight the zone is somewhere here. Okay, here, and we do have second support, which is 61.8%. So basically it's still ranging. We still don't know whether they're gonna come down here and then they go up and then come back, be like this, or it could be from this one come down and break first support, come here and go back, it become resistant, and then changing something like that. So now it's still sideways for this pair. Okay, we need to wait for price to either break above first resistance or first support. What we can see here is might create the double top here. Yeah. Okay. In H4. Alright. Let's look at H1. It's a gap here this morning, and then it's reversed back. So I don't know whether it's gonna create something like this and able to pull fifth level 61. And okay, so basically price is already come and retrace, I mean respect this box. Okay, and then you slide here and then you sell. What we can see here in the H1, you can see that price is make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that, right? And then they make a lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, somewhere like that. So I think it might be something like that. Okay, now slowly come down here. You get what I mean? So this is the sell entry. Your resist just above this swing, could be like swing high here. I mean your SL could be swing high here. Okay, let's just look for gold. Anybody sell gold? I sell gold. Okay, I sell gold. This is my sell zone. I already hold my position. Okay, for gold, look at the daily time frame. You know that gold is still on downtrend, right? Used to be uptrend. If you want to look on your left, you know that price is is from, like, every time always look for market structure first. Okay, lower low, lower high, what you can see here, and then in daily time frame price could not make a lower high, they make a like equal low. So something like that. You see, equal low here, like triple bottom, like that. And then when price break this high, you know that it's already changing momentum or change of character, right? Then you need to do something like that. Okay, and then break price here. We got use of Fibonacci is at 23. I think they retrace. Okay, between 23 and 38. Okay, so it retrace somewhere here. You can see from here they retrace and then all the way up. So you can see that from downtrend changing become uptrend. So from uptrend, okay, uptrend, you know that price make a like higher high, higher high, higher low, okay, higher high, higher low, and okay, wait, make a higher high, and then up to until here. Oh, you know that price is changing momentum in daily time frame, right? From the higher high become the lower high, and this low they break. Okay, so they make a this one make a lower low. So to me it's still on downtrend, and then they break this low. Okay, show a chain of character here. Okay, so it's changing in daily time frame. Alright, so we go to H4. Alright, we know that price is on downtrend in daily time frame. Okay, remove this, and then I draw my support resistance. This one used to be my support, right? It break, it become my resistance, and then I pull fib ball. Okay, I pull my fib ball from here to here, and then I know that these are 38.2%, and my 38.6%, which is second resistance. Okay, so basically you know that even though price is make a higher high here, right? Like here, or maybe here, and then here, and after that they make a lower low and lower high, follow the downtrend. Okay, follow the daily time frame. So basically these are higher high, higher low. Actually this one, like this one, is a lower high for, see, is a lower high for daily time frame. You get what I mean? You don't get confused, right? Because price is always respect the higher time frame, right? Daily is on downtrend, price make a lower low, lower high. Even though H4 is make a higher, is make a higher high, higher low, but this higher high, okay, this higher high, okay, in H4, okay, in H4 here, actually is the higher high, is the lower high for daily time frame, which is this one. Okay, okay, you get what I mean, right? So now I'm selling gold. But if you ask me if I want to sell gold, so I think my, like, I play support to first support to resistance. So basically my first TP, for example, should be somewhere between here, like 1925. That's my like scalping. Okay, so I think now is the trade to is like bounce off at 38.2%, which is here. So basically my TP is about 20. I put my TP 1923. So 1923 should be somewhere 50% fib level, right? Yeah, somewhere here it says my TP. Okay, like 23 or some here, but I still hold because it's, you know, either like somebody is might confused, like, okay, if you're to look in H1, sorry, H4, you know that price it could not make a like lower low, but you know this is a support level in H4, so potential price is might like go up more, like if they, for example, if like they break above this resistance, potentially I think they might come somewhere here, but I don't think they will come until there, because I think that the next level should be somewhere here, actually, like the supply zone, which is somewhere here. I mean here, actually here is my sales zone. So basically, so my sales zone is like 19, okay, like since last week, my sell zone for gold, like 1930 to 1935. So basically, this is my sell zone for gold. So like I highlight the zone, something like that. But then the price comes almost like 1931. Then it reverse. I mean, it reject from there. Okay, I still hold my position for gold. Okay, we'll see is whether we reverse here or is either it's go up somewhere here and then it come down. All right. Okay. Okay. So this is the my trade setup for gold for H4. Somebody asked for kiwi. Kiwi dollar mean inset, right? See. So basically, I haven't changed my support and resistance in last week. So AU and kiwi dollar actually is the same. So you see, if you know how to draw support and resistance correctly, or you can see that it respect first, second resistance, see last week. So meaning that this is, you need to adjust the level. Okay, and if you want to draw extension, it's respect Fibo extension 127.2, and you can see in price all the way up. Alright, so sin price is really worse. I will just put here and I remove my second support. Okay, and if you want to pull fifth level, Fibonacci should be 50%. Okay, you see somewhere 50% here, and then you can highlight the zone somewhere here. This is your sell zone, right? You can see stretch behind. Okay, here your sell zone, and then price come down here, already reversed pretty strongly in H4. If you took for go down to H1, what you can see here, no divergence here so far. Okay, this is reverse. I think the scalping here, it could be your first TP somewhere here. Here should be 23.6% fifth level, 38. Okay, exact 38% for the fifth level. You can see it's either price come here, you can do trailing stop, or you close partial close profit. Okay, so here, no, right here, it's good. Come from here, if it can break, then it could be all the way here. Okay, but you will see that some respect of the some of the bounce over here. All right. How about, okay, I check for you, Germany 40, or you talk about Germany 30? You mean 30 or 40? You mean this pair or another? Do we have Germany 40? I don't tell anything. I'm not sure, sorry, but I can search for you. Are you talking about 40? You mean this one? Okay, let me see. I never looked at this pair before, but I can see. Okay, let me go for the weekly time frame. Oh, okay. Price will come down more. Okay, there is a barely divergent in monthly time frame already. Okay, you can see this is a very divergent. So price come down more. Your time frame in monthly is this very nice high. Price will reverse. Okay, monthly you can see that it's a big bearish candle as well. Okay, look for the remove. Okay, we know that price will reverse, right? Because it's monthly time frame. Weekly, I believe price still come down more, but this is the first support. Okay, weekly. if you want to do top down analysis, it's something like that, right? And definitely the second support, but if that's too far, we don't need. Okay, and then you look at daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, you can see the price could not go or break below the first support for the weekly, right? You see here, just now we draw from here, right? Here, if you were to adjust, it just pick this swing high here, swing low, sorry. Okay, I could not break below the support level. This is second support for daily time frame. Okay, and let me see if I can see something here. This is somewhere. Okay, now daily time frame is like, okay, I think they will change from the higher high become, let me check here. Make a low here, make a high here, low here. Still, I think we'll come down here. Let me see. I think they come and sell here at this is the resistance. Okay, first resistance and as 50%. Okay, now this is the support and resistance in daily time frame. Okay, definitely this is gonna be my second support, second resistance. Sorry. Okay, let's look H4. Okay, so basically it's ranging, right? What you can see here is ranging in H4. Okay, you want to trade, should be 51%. It touched 51%, which is, if I want to zoom in, if you want to trade QM or like neckline or QM, you know that this is your left shoulder, right? Like this is your left shoulder. I mean, Q. Your left shoulder is your right, your head, and I think they already create the right shoulder here. So we finished the QM already here. Okay, the right shoulder here, and what you can see, if you want to pull fib ball, you know that there is a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and here is your supply zone. Okay, this is your supply zone here. Can you see? Here your supply zone. Okay, let me go down to H1. Okay, you can see that is your supply zone. If you want to find demand and supply, you need to look for very strong bearish or bullish candle, like very like strong, like this one, long and big candle basically. And then you can see that when price tap in this zone, and then we confirm with 61.8%, which is a golden level, right? And then price reverse from here. Okay, so potential they come down here. Let's say if they break, if you don't have any position, that is fine. Let's say if they break first support, you wait for price to pull back, and then you sell here. Once it break below first support, which is a weekly as well, you wait for price to pull back, and then you sell here. Let's say if you don't have any position from here, but if you have the sell order, you just hold, and then you just put your either you use your trailing stop loss, or you put either move your SL to put at break even. It's other way. Okay, let's say you don't have position, just wait here, because this first support is really strong because it's weekly support level. Okay, here, and it's already reversed from here. Alright, okay. Any pair you want me to have a look? Okay, so I think this the view of the Germany 40. This I never looked at this pair before basically. So you can see that this could be next line as well. You see neckline here. Okay, but then price is tap above here to come to get the supply zone here with 61.8%, and then it's reversed. Okay, you're welcome. All right. Oh, okay. Let we look. I think we have looked UJ. It's already at first support. It bounced. Okay, so basically, last week I saw divergent here. Okay, if you guys don't trade the divergence, right, it's very strong. You should go and learn bearish or bullish divergent. You will see that we have the bear divergent here in daily time frame last week. Okay, and then this morning probably have a gap, so I think they might come back. I may come back and close the gap and then either come down more. So I'm not sure, but I don't have any position for UJ. But what you can see that I thought like okay, they're going to create like like this one the high, and then this high, and then this morning at the gap here. Either to close the gap and then it come back here. We need to see, because this is the, let me see. Okay. If you want to pull flip here to here, okay, it's somewhere almost 50% flip level. Okay, so basically this the zone. I just highlight like the zone here. Okay, green one, the zone somewhere here. Okay, let me go to, okay, so basically we just use this like this zone. Actually it's like this one. Okay, at the first support, which is just an area, and then what you can see here, price is reversed already. And if I use this swing high to swing low, I just say I might. Okay, you may consider either you sell here, or I did say neckline, but to me I prefer to wait somewhere this zone. Okay, like I prefer to wait like in this box. I mean, if the price really come back from here, we may see somewhere let's back all the way here. Okay, like I say, because if you buy at the cheaper price, you want to sell at the higher price, right? So basically, if you use Fibonacci, right, whatever, just a recap, right? If you pull like that, Fibonacci, okay, whatever, this is on the downtrend. Okay, you wait for price to retrace. So basically, this is a premium. Okay, this is this counter zone like this. Okay, so let's say if you want to sell, definitely you buy at a cheaper price. This counter zone you buy, you hold, and then of course you want to sell at a premium price, which is this box, right? This is the one, correct? Not if you, okay, so this is the one you buy here. Cheaper price is this counter price, and then this is a premium zone, which is whatever above 50% to 61 and 78. So this is called premium zone. So you're gonna sell here. Okay, if you want to sell, this is like downtrend. Okay, what about uptrend? Uptrend is always like that. Okay, like uptrend, 100 is always on top. Okay, because you wait for the price to retrace somewhere here, and then you, no, sorry, wrong one. uptrend is like that. Okay, either you wait for price to pull back and then you buy. So you want to buy at discounted zone, or you want to buy at the discounted price. I mean, if you want to sell, this is higher discounted, the premium. This is a discount premium or discounted zone here for the sale. Okay, for the buy position, this is the one, and this is the one, like that. Okay, so basically you buy at the premium, and after that you want to sell. Of course, you want to sell, you will hold until you get until premium, which is this price, right? And then you will buy up. I mean, then you exit your position. You get what I mean? So now, where is my chart? Where's the price? Okay, so now UG is rising really strongly. Okay. Still rising here. Or if you don't want to wait, you want to sell next slide, that would be somewhere here. Neckline is here. Okay. If you don't think that's too high, either you may highlight something like that. Okay, this is your sell zone at the neckline, and then you sell. But we'll see. Okay, can you check? Okay, sure, I check for you. This one. I thought I checked already. I think you guys just joined, right? I think I already did the TA, but what you can see here, what is my, okay, so basically daily time frame is, price is still on the higher high, I mean lower low, lower high, right? You can see, and high, I think it's like that. Okay, and then we go to the H4. Like I say, H4, I think like they're going to create, because for resistance here, so basically to me, I feel like they already create like double top. Okay, and then this morning we do have a gap here. So basically, I think I will wait to sell if the price come like my like discounted or the zone somewhere here. Okay, that's why I just label my sell zone here, and then this, if you want to sell, of course your stop loss could be here, just above this week. Okay, and then you want to sell your TP, you just put at like just before like this candle, just slightly above. Okay, because every time if you sell at the resistance, your TP should put up before for support. Okay, just here. Or if you don't want to put your TP, either you put your trailing stop loss, also can. All right. The Keaton is my colleague. Okay, my name is Peggy. I don't have the twister. Okay, the Keaton is my colleague. Okay, my name is Peggy. I'm not sure whether he has a Twitter account or not. All right. Okay, so let's look at gold now. It's falling. See, it's falling already. So my TP is just 1923. Okay, I'm waiting. It already hit my TP. Alright guys, do you have any question above 90? Wait. Have you see how you see upside potential? You mean which pair? You mean here? You mean this pair? You mean upside? No, because I like to look at the market structure, I remove. Okay, if you were to look at the, okay, you see, even though like in the weekly time frame, price is still on downtrend. Okay, these are they already create in the bigger time frame. They already create the double top right here, and then this is the neckline. Okay, price is respect next line, and then they make a lower low, lower high here. Okay, in order for them, I mean to change the momentum downtrend become uptrend, they need to break this high, meaning they need to break the high, then it's become like that. Okay, this is uptrend, I mean upside. Okay, I mean changing from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, and then we go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is still make a higher high, higher low, you see. Okay, and then they see it's still the higher high. This high still not even go above this high, so there's still like something like that. I think on downtrend. Okay, and then in the daily time frame you draw your resistance is here. Exactly, it's here. This is your first resistance in the daily time frame. Okay, what you can see, you zoom in and see, you see that this is your resistance. Price tried to break this first resistance, but it could not. Okay, so something like that. And I go to the H4. Okay, I go to H4. Like if you were to zoom in H4, you highlight the zone, you know that this is the body and the wick, you know that this one, there would be some things or somewhere around here, meaning that price try to break above like this wick or this zone, it could not, and then this side of like price action, this one, so it is come down more unless the uptrend they need to like break this one, and then it will go like that. I mean that all the way like that. Okay, so to me it's still coming down, and if you were to look at your H4 here is your like first resistance here. Okay, almost touching. No, because sometimes we draw upon resistance doesn't mean like it to reach exact level. Okay, it's either part plus or minus a few pips, that's okay. You just like highlight the zone, and then you know that okay, this is your resistance zone. And then when the price come in the zone, what you can see, you go to the lower time frame, you can see any form of price action, rejection, or any chart pattern. Okay, you see it's a long wick. There may be some seller pushing the price here. Okay, here. So to me, it still can come down more, I think. Okay, last prayer, I already tell you about this why. Okay, this why this is very nice support level for this why daily time frame, because we do have pullback support and line up with 23.6%. So when the price come in the zone, okay, and then you can see that it's starting to bounce off from here. Gonna bounce off until where? Okay, I think this should be my first support here. Going for H4. Okay, this is remove. Okay, so that's why what you can see here is a negative correlation, right? So if this why is like rising, that's why gold is falling. Okay, gold is falling. Okay, so basically I think your YouTube pool, this is the area that I will wait to, you may consider to see the bounce from here. Here. Okay, like here. And from here, it's my, because first support, actually this is daily. Okay, this is daily. If you want to go to daily, okay, used to be the high, right? And then could not, could just push here, or either like you put slightly above, okay, and then I reject from there, and then but you might see that I was done here or not. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, you might see like barely divergent here. I think it might come down more. Okay, we will see like here. Okay, but it's already at a resistance. It's just that price is come down and testing the first support the support level. This one. Okay. Alright, guys. Okay, so I think I will see you guys again tomorrow. Okay, because we do have masterclass, right, for the price action. Yeah, I think I will see you guys again tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Okay, I hope you learned something. Alright, have a nice day as well. Okay, happy trading and take care, guys. See you guys again tomorrow. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.